Welcome back to this video. The very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up your dialer on your Android phone. Next thing you want to do is to click on this setting icon. The next thing you want to do is to scroll down right here. Go ahead and click on advanced settings. Take you right here. Click on accessibility. And what you want to do right here is to simply turn on this particular button right here. Hearing aid. Turn on hearing aid compatibility. Simply turn it on. With that, this is going to fix every poor or bad audio of every incoming calls on your Android phone. Whether you are in a lousy environment or you are in a public place that is very much loud, this is going to aid hearing of every incoming calls on your Android phone. This is work perfectly on any type of Android phone you are using, provided that your Android version does not below Android 10. Is that simple. For more tutorial tips and tricks about how best to use your Android phone, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.